Good day. This is a quick tutorial for the RBT checklist workbook for our RBT students. So instructions read, complete daily starting with orientation day. So the very first day of orientation, you're going to enter that information in, and I'm going to show you where in a minute. The second step is to modify the template to include any of your tasks, your hours, signature, etc. The next step is comments are required for each day. This document gets sent to your funding agency, so please complete accurately. And then the fourth step is to report your job search using this template form here. So I'm going to move over to the student information, which is the next tab. Here you're going to put in your student name, your phone number, your email, and home address. And then the last step is your start date for this particular tab. The next tab is going to be the professional development that you're doing in this week. So here you'll see them listed. So you really pretty much don't have to put the task in. If there's something that is missing, it is your obligation to update the tab task. And then here you're going to just list the date that you completed and the percentage. 100% if you completed it, 50% if you need to complete it more because you're turning this in on a daily basis. And then successful completion would be yes or no. And then you're going to just type in your signature. And here we actually will identify the location, which pretty much is always going to be Zoom or work from home. Now this is the important area here. You're going to come here and you're going to enter in comments for each of the tasks that you completed. They are required comments. Successfully completed. Any concerns you may have, you would document them there. Now, if you need additional space, you just click over here and you move it down. And over on this side, you have more space to actually type. So you're just going to move it down as much as you need to in order to type the comments that you have. But these comments are required. Now, next week will be your first week of RBT, and these are all the assignments that they're actually going to assign to you. This will also be up on the RBT platform that's provided by Continuum, and pretty much it's the same information. We're just creating a due date. Creating the date that's due, and then your signature that you've actually completed it, and your scores. So here you're going to want to enter in the score that you receive for each one of these modules. And that's very important, along with your comments. Now, although this seems to be a duplicate of work, this document goes to your counselor. The document that's up on the platform for Continuum and the RBT program is a document that gets stored for their records. So it may be a little bit duplicate, but we've streamlined it to the point that all you're really doing is saying whether you successfully completed it, put your signature in, and what your actual grade was for each one of the scores. So please be sure to do that. And that appears for week 2, week 3, and week 4. And then the final grade will automatically populate here. So I believe your name will populate as well. And let me know if you have any problems. And then we're looking for your final overall comments, and then any instructor comments. That will be me filling that in. Okay, there you have it. Any questions, let me know.